So let me guess, you want to create an efficient workspace where you can study, focus, and actually get things done. But we're not going for the usual keep it minimal or just add a planner advice. Today, I'm going to share some unique tips that will help you build a desk setup that actually works for you. I'm Sarah Luna, and this is what I learned in college. So first off, navigators, let's talk about personalizing your workspace for focus and inspiration. We've all heard that our desks should be clean and free of distractions, but have you heard that your desk should also be somewhere that you actually want to spend time? Add some personalized items that will help you feel more at home while you're studying. Hang something up that you like and that makes you want to spend time at your desk. Here's a little secret about that. Personalizing your desk makes you feel more motivated. It's all about balance. Just don't overdo it or it'll feel cluttered. Also, here's a pro tip coming straight from the horse's mouth. Make sure if you listen to music while you study, listen to it on your computer instead of your phone. That way, you won't be tempted to use your phone as a distraction while you're listening to the music. Next up, optimize your desk area for movement and comfort. Sitting at a desk for hours on end can really drain your energy, especially if you don't have room to move around and be comfortable. I always keep a yoga mat or resistance bands nearby. That way I can jump up for a quick stretch and a quick workout break for 2 or 3 minutes so it'll get my head back in the game. Giving yourself little movement breaks like this and having an area where you can actually do it is vital to your success as a college student. You have to make sure that you find out ways to not become too fatigued while you're studying, especially if you're like me and you have last-minute cram sessions. And please, don't forget about your chair. Your chair is one of the most important things at your desk because it's where your body is going to be resting while you're studying. Make sure you have a good chair. Investing in a good chair can make the difference for your productivity levels. Trust me. Now, let's talk about lighting and color psychology. Now, I'm not a psychologist, but I do know that the lighting in your area can have a profound effect on your productivity levels and the amount of work that you get done. Wait, isn't that the same thing? But yeah, the lighting in your space can have a big impact on your focus. Natural light is ideal, but if that's not an option, use a lot of yellow, warm tones. Warm lighting in a study session creates a really cozy vibe, and it's easy on the eyes. Blue is a very peaceful, calm, and tranquil color. So I definitely recommend it if you suffer from anxiety, so it'll help you be a little bit more calm before you go take your test. Even better, add yellow and blue to your study sessions. Another really energetic tone that is full of life is green. And green just happens to be my favorite color. This next tip is all about digital decluttering. You have to make sure that your digital space is just right. We often think about physical clutter, but digital clutter can actually affect our minds more than physical clutter because computers, tablets, and phones are how we do our work nowadays. Organize your files. Declutter your desktop. Make use of digital tools like cloud storage. Cloud storage will keep everything accessible but tidy. And if you can, try a dual monitor setup for ideal note-taking. Having everything streamlined in your technical world will help you in every other facet of life. You'll spend less time searching for files and more time actually working. Finally, let's talk about zoning your desk for multiple tasks. Here is an actual picture of my study area when I was in my dorm room in college. One of my favorite productivity hacks is creating different zones for different activities. For example, I have a section where I keep all my study materials, and then another area for creative work, and then I have another area known as a relaxation zone with a stress ball and some plants, just to give myself something calming to focus on when I need a break. If you have an entire room to dedicate to studying, optimize that room for your success. Make little areas in that one room for different tasks, such as your creative zone, your workout zone, your relaxation zone, and self-care, and things like that. By zoning your space, you can transition from one task to another without constantly rearranging everything. It's a great way to stay organized and productive. So there you have it. 5 unique ways that you can make your workspace work for you, not against you. Remember, your desk is more than just a desk. It's your personal productivity hub. And if you care about your future, you'll care about getting that desk set up to where you can work the most efficient and the most happy. I hope these tips will help you make the most of it. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel for more information on how to succeed in college. Thanks for watching my video. Happy navigating!